Hi everyone, thanks so much for being here. In case you don't know, my name is Jennifer Vaaler of the SimplifiedOffice.com. I'm a business and home office strategist, empowering overwhelmed online service-based business owners like you to create order and flow in their business and home office space through my unique skill set of business, marketing, interior design, and pro organizing. I feel like I can really help you with this. February is my birth month, and with the new moon and all these moons going on and all this crazy, amazing energy, what would be a better time than to finally make myself launch my first group program? I'm so excited. Next month, I am going to be launching my group beta program. I want you to finally feel accomplished with some quick wins. You'll have more headspace for focus and creativity. You'll be able to do more of what you love and, of course, earn more money because you're accomplishing more. We'll go over how you rethink what your time means to you, how to actually schedule your priorities, do better goal setting, and I'll help you reach one main goal for your business or home office space over the course of the 6 weeks. So the first 3 weeks, we're going to focus on your values, your priorities, what I consider everything that's the foundation of what you need before you even jump into goal setting and time management. These are the things you need in place before you start doing those two things. And then weeks 4 through 6, depending on what the group needs overall, we'll focus on a specific theme, what everyone wants to focus on right now, whether that's going more in depth in time management or goal setting or decluttering your home office or organizing your home office. Whatever the group needs most during this time, that's what we're going to focus on for the other 3 weeks. I am super excited about this. What you're going to get. So, like I said, this is 6 weeks. It's going to be a combination of DIY and accountability because you're going to be in a group, a private Facebook group. And of course, you'll have access to me. I'll be in there quite a bit. I'm all about building community and connections because it's all about helping each other out, right? Ultimately, that's what it is for me. We help each other out. We can make this world even better than it already is using our unique skills. So we'll have weekly Q&As. We'll go over strategies. I've created an amazing workbook that will help guide you through everything we're going to be discussing. You'll be able to track your progress so you can actually see your accomplishments and not just see the progress before and after, but also during. I think that's what really makes this unique, is I'm all about the whole journey, the whole process of this whole thing. Because life is a journey. Your business is a journey. We learn and grow, and it's amazing. So why not go on the same journey with others, right? We'll also do a February monthly planning as a group. We'll do a month in review and how to plan for the next month. And then, of course, we'll do a monthly planning session for March as well. So you'll be able to kickstart the next 2 months because January is finally done. We're done with our resolutions of getting off track. It's time to actually get serious about what we're going to be focusing on if we haven't already, or just accomplishing more than what we already have. So I'm going to open this up to 5 amazing women. We're going to start Monday, February 5th, and it'll last through Sunday, March 18th. Go ahead and get your spot early because I'm going to be doing a special beta price at $379, and then it'll go up to probably $497 the next time I launch this. Grab your spot so you get the discounted price, and you'll be able to help shape the future of this program and see what it can do and really help you. So if you have any questions, so it's either pay in full. I'll have a pay me PayPal link in the comments. The first 5 people to sign up gets first dibs. The extra bonus is probably going to be You get a free 30-minute one-on-one call with me. And besides that, if you need a payment plan, 2 payments, let me know and we'll work something out too. So I'll have all the links in the comments for that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for stopping by.